Creating forms and reports in Access. Open ECD file. We are going to create a form that shows customers with their purchased items. So we go to Create tab, Form area. We can use Form Design View or Wizard. Design is more flexible. When opening Design View, we have three tabs here: Design Tools, Format, Arrange, and Design. Under Design, add existing fields, showing a list of tables. We're going to start with Customer, and all fields from Customer. Just double click them or drag and drop. Then we can move them around, resize the fields, and align them. Items sold are in a different table. So there is a sale item table holding those records. If we go to relationships, we can see how these tables are related. Customer table has a direct relationship with sale, and sale has a relationship with sale item. So if you're going to retrieve the item quantity and price from sale item, we need to include sale as well. If you need additional information about the item, like category and brand, we need to include this table as well. We need to include all these records at once. So multiple records from sale item are related to one customer. We need to aggregate these records in a query, and then use that query just like a table to connect it to the form. So we go to Create a Query in Design View and use the tables. We start adding tables. Sale, sale item, and item. With sale date, we need customer ID. There must be a connection with customer table. Sales channel, category, color, brand from item, quantity and price from sale item. Test the query. Make sure it runs. Save this query. Customer purchases will retrieve this to the form. Now we go back to the form design, and under design, go to controls, subform subreport tool. Click on the tool and drag an area. This will be the area that the information from the subform will show up. Use existing tables and queries. Go to Next. From the list, select the query we saved. All fields show up, and we will include all. Go to Next step. Here is where Access will determine the relationship between two objects, the table and the query, and Next, and Finish. Make more space for all fields to show up. And go to Form View. Now we do have customer ID, other data about the customer, and the list of all purchases. All the fields we included are here. We can check them. Go through them one by one, and then the control down for the main form. We can move from customer to customer. For example, customer number 2 has got 21 items. We got the list. Customer number 3 got 17. Customer number 4 got just 9. And we can save the form. So after closing the form, when you open it, it will be updated by all records in tables. Again, automatically bring up customer purchases, and we can check them one by one. To create a simple report, you can go to Create tab and select one of the options. Report design is the most flexible, provides a space for our report. If you're going to retrieve a list of all customers, you can go to Customer table. Add existing fields should be open. So expand Customer and add fields. Now let's go back to Design tab and see how it looks like. All customer data is listed in column with the labels. Well, we need a report like a table for all customers. So we'll go back to Design View, move the fields around. We can create labels on top and page header, and one label will work for the entire column. So we can delete these labels and put all these fields in one row. Hold Ctrl, select and delete, and then move these fields and resize them. We can go up here under Design, Controls, and use Label, and create labels on top. You can select these two labels or any controls, right click, align in any direction. Do top, and we can resize. We'll do this at the end. Let's create labels. So all labels are created. You can select them all, right click, go to align, top align, right click again, go to size, to tallest, and we need to readjust the area occupied by each record, and check the design. Go under Design tab to Form View. We can remove all those boxes, lines around the records. Go back to Design View, select all controls, text boxes, go under Format, Shape Outline, make it transparent. Can select all labels on page header. Change the color or font size if you need to. And go under Design, check it one more time. In case you want to print this, you have to go to File tab, Print, do a print preview. This is how it prints. This is the first page, and there will be multiple pages. And do the print if you want. There are ways to add calculated controls to reports. One of the best ways you can do this is to prepare everything in a query. For example, if you're going to show a list of customers and the total purchases customers made, you can use a query to prepare it. So we'll go to Create Query. Add three tables: customer, sale and sale item. Sale item contains quantity and sale price, so we can do a calculation. What we need from customer table, let's make it quick, just ID, first name, last name. And from sale item, we can add quantity and sale price for individuals. If you want to have just one record per customer, we just return the summary, the total of quantity by sale price for each customer. So we go to SQL view, add a calculated field. So sum of quantity times sale price as total purchase. Since we have aggregate function, we need to continue group by. Customer ID, first name and last name. And now test your query and save this for the report. Now we go to the query. This is customer sales report query saved. Once this is selected, we'll create a report. This is a quick report. Click on this icon. We have a list of all customer ID, first and last name, and total purchases. We can reformat this. Right click on the tab and go to design view. You can select all those labels and controls. Go to format, shape outline, make it transparent, change the fonts if we need to. You can use any different font for color or size. We can insert an image, go to design, insert image while the control is selected, browse your computer for any image you want, and it will be here. For downloading data from tables and queries, right click them, export into the format you need. If that's Excel, then there is a wizard. We'll download the data into the folder determined. Same thing for queries. You can right click the query and export in any format you need, Excel.